Hey everyone! In this tutorial, you'll level up your Illustrator skills with 2 must-know techniques: how to remove a white background and how to use clipping masks like a pro. Let's jump right in. When you import an image with a white background, here's how to cleanly remove it. Place your image into Illustrator. Select it, then go to Window, and then Image Trace. Then under Advanced, choose the Ignore Color preset, which ignores the white background. Make sure you are in Color, which is selected underneath Mode, and make sure that an extra layer is added just in case. Click Expand to turn the trace into vector shapes. Now with mine, it has only removed a minimal section of the background, so if your image is like that, then just double-click on the unwanted areas, and move or delete the areas. Then click on them and hit the Delete key. This technique is perfect for converting simple graphics into clean, transparent vectors, ideal for logos or icons. Now let's learn how to showcase your artwork or photos using clipping masks. Create or import the shape or text you want to mask. Place the image or artwork beneath the shape layer. Select both, then go to Object, then Clipping Mask, then Make. Now the image shows through the shape. If control isn't perfect, like the opacity changes, check the top object's opacity or inspect the appearance panel. And you're all set. You have successfully removed backgrounds cleanly and used clipping masks to polish your design layouts. Don't forget to like the video, comment below, what do you want to learn next, and hit subscribe and hit the bell for more design hacks. See you next time.